What's going on, YouTube? So, as promised, we are installing these speakers. So, we have ran our zero gauge out wire, our zero gauge power wire, and that was a pain in the butt. But now we're in hooking up the amp, and I don't know, I don't have all the big wire cutters and things like that, so we're gonna nip this like this. As stated, this truck, I don't believe they ever intended on somebody putting subs in this thing, because finding a good spot to mount the amp and underneath this rear seat is just, there ain't no room. So instead of, we're gonna make this work. We will make this work. So this is just us, me and the boy, putting the amp in. Sorry people, I'm trying to concentrate on not cutting my finger off the day after Thanksgiving. And a little more. So, inside of a shop, this wouldn't take all that long. It's really not hard at all. But right now, it's the day after Thanksgiving, and it's about 28 degrees out. So, my hands get cold easy. And we're sitting in the truck with it running, getting a little heat build up. Get this all wired in. This wire right now is not connected to the battery or to the fuse that will connect it to the battery. I still not sure where we're going to put this amp at, because there is no room. Shine back there. There is no room or anything. But you want something, you'll find a way. You'll make it work. And with it being back here, we want it secure. We don't just want to throw it back here. No one's ever going to see it, but we'll know. That'll bother me more than anything. Me knowing that we didn't do it like we should have. So, we just wanted to make a quick video. Day after Thanksgiving. Hope y'all had a great holiday. We did. We feasted like kings, didn't we?
Yeah.
Oh God, the amount of food. We had turkey, ham, roast, chicken. I don't eat pork, but kids liked it. We had the turkey, ham, roast, chicken, fish. That's all we had, Shani.
We had some of the sliders I made.
Oh yeah. Boy made some homemade sliders. They was delicious. They was delicious.
Macaroni, stuffing.
Oh yeah, homemade macaroni, not stuffing.
stuffing.
No, what is it? What is it?
What do you call it?
I don't know. I don't eat it. Your mama, it's
Call it stuffing.
no, not stuffing. It's
We had yams, sweet potato pie.
yeah.
You had pumpkin pie.
I had pumpkin pie. I had a piece of sweet potato. I grew up eating pumpkin pie, so on the holidays, I do enjoy a piece of pumpkin. I do enjoy a piece of pumpkin. So we hope everybody had.
We had greens.
We had some greens, sure did. What else do we have, Michael?
We had all different types of chicken.
Yeah. Chicken wings. Oh, we had Swedish meatballs.
Oh yeah, we had the barbecue meatballs.
Right, hard to think about all the stuff we had, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had a lot.
For dessert, we had a couple cakes. We had
Oh
like
man,
3.
a couple.
We had like 3.
We had chocolate cake. We had
Vanilla,
what was that? Coconut
coconut
cake
cake, and vanilla cake.
and vanilla cake. We had what was the other one? Was it caramel?
Yeah, the caramel cake.
Yeah. So my wife did it up.
Oh yeah, she also made her some banana pie.
Yeah,
I meant banana pudding. I said banana pie.
Yeah, she made us some banana pudding. I can't eat that. I'm allergic to bananas.
I used to be.
But
Somehow I'm not no more.
so we did have a great Thanksgiving. We really did.
One of my favorite parts about that, cousins came, got to say what we all was thankful for, and a family get together of prayer.
Yep. Everybody said what they was thankful for. We had a great prayer. I let my youngest daughter do the prayer, so she did excellent. Other than that, we will cut this video off and we will show you once it's all hooked up. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification, as the boy always says.
So we will see y'all in a little bit.
Just a little bit.